Morning everyone. I got a little helper today.
Hi.
Today's the day we're moving the chickens. This is going to be interesting. They're out. I forgot to put them up last night. They're pretty good. They'll come to a bucket. So we'll set up for that move. And first I'm going to get a jumper because it's freezing out here.
I even got my jumper on. And I got a vest and a jumper too.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, here's my jumper.
See?
Oh yeah. Oh, you got two jumpers on.
Yes,
Good
I
deal.
got two.
Right, here. You hold this one for me. For a
Because
second.
it's cold.
Yep. Hey, look, it's filming you at the moment.
Hi. I got a bike. And
You hold it right out in front of you if you want to talk. You can hold it right out in front. See the little handle? Yeah, this handle?
Yeah.
You hold on to that.
and this
Don't drop it, okay?
yep. This is where our poops and weeds go. Yeah, funny. But it still is a bit gross. Okay, and this are our chickens, as you know. And this is our goose, which is a mum, which protects them chickens.
Morning, everyone. Got a little YouTuber in the making. Alright, so I'm going to set you guys up over here. I'm going to try and do a bit of a time lapse. What we're going to do is move these chickens to there. So see if we can set you guys up in a spot where you're going to be able to see. Alright, so first things first, we're going to remove all the support posts that support the fence up, and we're going to take out these little pegs here as well, and not leave any pegs in the ground. Hey guys, they're not fun to mow over those. Yeah.
I want to do it next.
Okay, you can. They're a bit hard sometimes. They're a bit stuck in there. You got it? No? You want some
I
help?
got dressed.
So you just use a peg like this, and you pull on this peg. You pull on this one. Pull, pull, pull. Oh, look at that! Was too easy.
That's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and we got some more helpers too. Joseph. Joseph's here.
Dad,
Yes.
when you go, I can
Are you gonna hold these? Oh, you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Oh no, I need the camera. You hold the pegs for me a second. Try and undo these with one hand. Megan's moved the chickens here without keeping them up, but this will be a first for me. So. A little bit nervous about it, but surely they can't go too far. And Megan's done it before, so I think we'll be right. She's a professional. And as I said, they're pretty good at following the bucket anyway, so they'll walk up and down the fence line with you until you feed them. So. Makes it easy that we're only moving them one spot over. they've made their well overdue a move. Hey Luce, you want some more long grass? I mowed yesterday, so it's all nice, won't ground out. But yeah, they're moving from that to that. You good? Rightio, we'll drag it back this way. If you can, mate, yeah. Sorry? You have to catch them all.
I've been pretty good. Just go all running around the whole paddock just to catch them.
I'm thinking, babe, before we move this, what do you reckon of watering all that down here rather than over there?
So you want to hose it out here?
Yeah, I was thinking.
Drop that here before we move them.
Yeah, well that way all.
Saves a mess in there.
Yeah.
Already.
All the manure then just drops down there,
Yeah.
and we can just move that again over there next halfway through the week or something. All right. Yeah. You can walk over that. You good? Yeah. Good job, Lucy. Like, oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Alright, so just wanted to show everyone before we move. This is why we rotational graze. So all this has come off the top of here and somewhere around there. Just finished cleaning this coop out here. Nice and clean. And all the manure that was in there is now on the ground. So every time we come back around, so these chickens go from here all the way around, down and then through the paddock, back and forth all the way up this fence line and then back up to here. By the time they get back up to here, they're back on nice new fresh grass that's improved and making sure they've got a clean environment to live in. So. Going on over here, Megan?
Just put some shouldered in.
Yeah.
It helps with their digestive system. It's more for Lucy, but the chickens like it too.
So what we're going to do is change the point of connection where it was over there. We're going to change it to just over here. Then at that post, so that way we can get a nice, good, strong connection through there. And check how hot the fence is. I didn't connect this one up.
I did.
Yeah. You've got a few points of connection there.
Just making sure.
Can't be too safe. Last thing, you can have it ground out on the ground. Sometimes but you can definitely help it not grounding out here. So this is good. When I'm connecting this, I'm just going to connect it up to this point. Obviously make sure your fence is off for this part of the process, but connect it to there, and then I'm going to come over here and connect it to this point here in the fence, not on here, not on the actual wire itself. If I connect it to here, it's going to give it a lot more of a stable connection. it's hitting at 5 or so now. So that's much better. That'll keep chickens in and keep most foxes out, unless they're really hungry foxes. But yeah, so I'm happy with that fence for today, and I think the chickens and the goose are happy with that as well. That pretty much wraps up today's vlog. Moving the chickens. We've fed the chickens thanks to my lovely helper and the kids up at the house now. Be sure to subscribe, like the content and share with a friend. Supports our channel. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.